Thanks for checking out our DashSkin video install guide for 1998 through 2002 S10, Jimmy, Blazer, Bravada, and Sonomas. To ensure you order the correct color, locate your trim code located inside your glove box and compare it with our trim code guide. To start, let's thoroughly clean your original dash using a commercial grade degreaser such as Zep Purple, Purple Power, or Simple Green. The front lip of the DashSkin tucks behind the bezel, so take a plastic putty knife and gently pop the bezel away from the dash. You do not need to completely remove it. Next, let's dry fit your cover to verify alignment and fitment and plan where weights will need to go. Next, let's apply silicone to the underside of the DashSkin using the same pattern illustrated in your install guide. Now we're ready to install. Carefully place your DashSkin on the original dash and go over any seams and edges and make sure that everything lines up perfectly before applying your weights. After the skin is installed, don't forget to immediately press the bezel back into place. Since you can't get weights up by the windshield, simply cut some pieces of cardboard and wedge them between the dash and the windshield. Now let's apply the weights evenly across the entire dash. You can use sandbags, reams of printer paper, or even phone books. With so many options when shopping online, thank you for choosing DashSkin, where all our products are and always will be made right here in the USA.